Alright, so you're rating our crushes from like early 2000s.
This is part 1, by the way. This is part 1.
Okay, this is white boy edition, okay?
White boy edition, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ready?
This is my first one.
1, 2, 3.
You can move till you can see him. 10.
Alright. Move!
Move your line. Open your line.
Move this way. 10. This guy.
Mario.
You don't want Mario Lopez? It's too much.
Or 9.5.
You guys better. Okay.
Open and move.
10! What?
Punch you right in the throat.
What?
What did she say?
7.
You said 10.
Oh,
Okay.
I swear.
You guys, this was my biggest crush ever. So I swear to God.
Okay, move. Open and move. 8. I'll say. Freaking say something.
Next! Y'all. Okay.
Can we open?
Mayor.
He's a main entree right here.
Yes, a man. He's not a boy crush.
Okay.
He's
Okay,
a man crush, not a boy crush. Look.
okay, open. Move.
Oh, that is
10.
beautiful.
10. It was also very cute.
Okay. Open.
If you know the movie, you would know.
You guys know what movie he's from? Jack and Rose. Good?
No.
Are you talking about Leonardo DiCaprio?
I give them.
He's on Princess Diaries too.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I give him a 7.
Okay.
A what? A what? A 2.
Alright guys, we'll be back for part 2. Hold on.